Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 23rd of October 2024, and we've got a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From legal battles involving AI-generated imagery to debates over the safety of autonomous vehicles, there's plenty to discuss. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's dive into the legal drama surrounding Tesla and the iconic film Blade Runner 2049. Alcon Entertainment, the producers behind the film, have filed a lawsuit against Elon Musk, Tesla, and Warner Bros. Discovery. The crux of the issue: alleged copyright infringement. Alcon claims that AI-generated images from Blade Runner 2049 were used without permission during the launch of Tesla's robotaxi. Despite Alcon's explicit refusal to associate with Musk, these images were reportedly used to enhance the appeal of the event. The lawsuit accuses the defendants of direct, vicarious, and contributory copyright infringement, as well as false endorsement. Alcon is seeking an injunction to prevent further use of the film's elements, citing significant financial impact and potential confusion for their upcoming Blade Runner 2099 series. This case has gained attention, not just for the legal implications, but also due to Musk's recent controversial actions that have led to backlash and loss of advertising support. Next, we turn our attention to Palo Alto, where city officials are considering a partnership with Tesla to use its streets as a testing ground for the company's new robotaxi service. This comes as the city re-evaluates its transportation options, especially with the challenges faced by its existing rideshare program, Palo Alto Link. The program, operational since March 2023, is struggling with funding as its initial grant support is set to expire. The City Council is expected to vote on extending the service through June 2025, with proposed fare increases. Meanwhile, Tesla's recent unveiling of its robotaxi, aiming for full autonomy by 2026, has sparked mixed reactions, including a drop in Tesla's stock price. Safety concerns and regulatory approval remain significant hurdles. However, some city officials see the potential partnership with Tesla as a promising solution to the city's transportation issues. Discussions are still in preliminary stages, and any agreement would need to navigate regulatory scrutiny. Now, let's talk about Dan O'Dowd, the billionaire founder of Green Hills Software, who has been making waves with his unhackable communications system, the Integrity 178B operating system. Designed with security as the primary focus, this OS boasts a mere 10,000 lines of code, a stark contrast to the millions found in typical software. Despite his claims, security experts argue that no system can be truly unhackable. Beyond cybersecurity, O'Dowd is a vocal critic of Tesla's full self-driving technology, which he deems unsafe. He founded the Dawn Project to highlight the dangers of Tesla's self-driving cars, citing over 40 fatalities linked to the technology. Although he ran for the US Senate in 2022 on a platform to ban unsafe autonomous vehicles, he did not win. O'Dowd has invested heavily in advertising campaigns to raise awareness about the risks associated with Tesla's FSD, advocating for stricter regulations. Tesla has yet to publicly respond to his criticisms or the Dawn Project's initiatives. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates and insights into the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay curious and informed.